大家好，欢迎来到小亿频道，我是你们的小亿。今天我就是要来带我的就是朋友来玩这个和平精英。其实这个游戏我也不是很爱玩啦，只是给大家介绍一下吧啦，大家不要介意啦，就是看一下，咱们是其中一个。无所谓，看下去啊！接下来我就不会讲话啦，你们就看下去吧，拜。Let me take you on this ride, baby. No, I've been around the world and I see a lot of girls, but you'll always be my number one, baby. And I want you to love, baby. And you wanna be on top of me. I'm falling. Baby, 就让我来对你说明。I promise. 我忘不了你，我的眼里都是你。甜甜蜜蜜 ，You know what I mean。对你说我喜欢你，我们一起牵手去旅行。Baby， 我的眼里都是，心里都是，全部都是你。Baby， 我的眼里都是，心里都是，全部都是你。我的眼里都是你，甜甜蜜蜜 ，You know what I mean。对你说我喜欢你，我们一起牵手去旅行。Baby， 我的眼里都是，心里都是，全部都是你。Baby， 我的眼里都是，心里都是，全部都是你。I'm falling. I promise.
Quadra kill!
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy.
I wanted the fame, not a cover of a newspaper. Well, gas bags can't be choosy. Wanted to receive attention from my music. Wanted to be left alone, public excuse me. For wanting my cake and eat it too. Wanted both ways, fame's made me a balloon. Cause my ego inflated when I blew. See, but it was confusing. Cause all I wanted to do is be the Bruce Lee of loose leaf. Obvious ink, use it ever do. When I blew steam, ooh, hit the lottery, ooh. But with the word I gave, but to get was bittersweet. I was like winning a used mink. Ironic, cause I fake, I'm getting so huge, I need to shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. Cheap, too cheap, don't cook and cookie has cookies. But I'm actually weirder than you think.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You try